Michael.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. I am on my road glide. It is a beautiful Sunday. I am out on a little bit of an exploration ride today. Basically, next week it's my buddy's birthday ride. It's an annual ride that we do every year unless the weather is completely shit. In this case, the weather is promising, so I'm really excited. We're gonna meet up here in Penticton with a bunch of guys that head down from Kelowna, and then we do the famous, infamous, not so famous, but really fun to ride Green Mountain Road. So if you're not familiar, Green Mountain Road basically goes through the reservation here outside of Penticton in the Okanagan and heads down kind of through the mountains a little bit, goes up in elevation, lots of twisties, really fun road. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna explore it today alone before we get out there with a group of 20 some people. Now some guys have said that the road is clean and good, but you know, I figured might as well test it for myself. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
right, you guys, well, that was Green Mountain Road. That is one of my absolute favorite roads here in the area. Just the corners just keep going. It's not too bad, actually. There's a couple spots with a little bit of gravel. Probably noticed in the videos, had to slow down a little bit, but for the most part, it's not bad. This road, at best of times, has got gravel on it, so this isn't too bad at all. Bike's running great. Somewhere about halfway through, I realized that these tires are still new and I'm supposed to be breaking them in. So I think that helped. I think that did an okay job breaking them in. The one thing I did do was fuck up my heat shield a little bit. I guess it was due to get some scrapes on it. I'm not one of those guys that brags about scrapes on a Harley. It doesn't take much to scrape a Harley, so I've been really trying to avoid it, but it's just in the heat shield. I don't care. It's not too big of a deal. Bike is running really nice. Got the tires worn in a little bit. These are upgraded tires. I'm running Metzler 888. I think it's the first time I'm trying Metzlers on a Harley. I ran them on one of my BMWs before when I had an R9T. But yeah, so far, can't really complain about anything and didn't crash, so that's always good. Other than that, bike's looking good. A little bit dirty, but overall, not bad. Pretty happy with it. So, I don't know what time it is. It's something to quarter after something, or it's 12:30. So I think it's probably a good time to go get some lunch. I could go left, which is a quicker way to get lunch. I could go right, which is a longer way to get lunch. Fuck it. Probably gonna take the longer way. There's no rush whatsoever today. So yeah, put the camera back on and take you guys along for the ride.